Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the notification panel here, and as can you see, we got all the available icons on our notification panel. Just to edit our tab bar, tap here on the edit icon, and here we can see our all visible icons and this down section with icons that we can add to our notification panel. And just to do that, for example, to add the dark theme item to our notification panel, hold for a while and drag it here to this up section by this way. Also, for example, we can add one more icon here, in for example the LTE icon. And now if we'll go back, we can see here the changes in our notification panel. And if you want to remove the icons from the notification panel, by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to this down section. And for example, we want to just remove this icon. By this way, you can just add or remove icons on our notification panel. And if you want to just change the position of the icons, for example, you want the torch icon to be the first one, so hold for a while and drag it here to this position. And for example, the next icon will be location, and then just the third will be this with the Wi-Fi. So that's how it looks. That's really simple, as can you see. And thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.